If you've been watching the channel for a while, or if you know me personally, you probably know that I'm a drummer. And if you're a drummer, you probably understand that it's probably the worst instrument to pick when you're in a band because you gotta carry the most stuff around and it's just a pain in the butt to get all your stuff from one place to another. And a problem that I've had recently is my old soft cases have just gotten holes in them and they just don't work that well anymore. I've got duct tape and safety pins and all sorts of stuff all over one of them, and it's time to get new cases. So I was on the Facebook Marketplace looking around for one of these giant drum boats or just a big road case that I could repurpose to make myself my own drum boat. And I stumbled upon two of these. These cases used to be for Mac Martin Vipers, which I think are giant lights. I'm not 100% sure. All I know is that the dimensions were big enough, or so I thought, to fit my entire drum kit inside. So I went to the guy, I bought two of them after measuring that the inside of this is literally perfect to fit my kick drum. So I wanted to share with you guys what I found to be my ultimate solution for a drum case. All right, let's go ahead and open this guy up. And I already have it pretty much done. All right, so there she is. This left compartment is the exact size for my kick drum. And I mean exact. Like, before I put the carpet in on this side and the back, it was already basically touching the walls. So it is a tight fit, but I'm confident that everything's gonna hold up just fine. What's actually touching these walls are the lugs of the kick drum, these parts right here. So I don't think that anything big or heavy enough is going to run into this case where it's going to crush my kick drum this way. And this case is pretty strong. I think it's 1/2" ply, and this thing is definitely a professional level case. So I have no worries of anything happening. And it's definitely better than having my soft cases like I had in the past. Then I went ahead and made this divider. It's just a piece of plywood, more carpet wrapped around it. I got it bracketed in like that. And this guy's just a nice solid divider that I added after I carpeted the whole thing. Unfortunately, I ran out of carpet. I couldn't finish the lid, but that's okay because the thing that goes on top here is a snare drum, which I'm gonna keep in cases anyways. So essentially I have the kick drum on the left. I have the floor tom goes here. Then I have the cymbal bag, fits perfectly this way with the cymbals in it. I have 22 or 21 inch ride. So the fact that this is 22 inches on the inner dimensions before the carpeting is perfect. And then I fit my kick drum pedal bag, which is this guy. Fit this guy right in here like this. I made this foam spacer. It's kind of ugly. I'll probably coat it with something better than duct tape, but that sits right here on top of the floor tom. The rack tom sits right in there, and then we have a cased snare drum alongside that and another cased snare drum on top of the kick drum, and everything sticks up a little bit above the top of the case here, but the lid's deep enough where it closes right down on top of everything, and every single one of the drums fits inside this case. No wiggle room whatsoever, so everything's nice and tight. And I'm pretty confident that everything's going to be nice and comfortable and protected inside this big case. So unfortunately, my stands don't fit in this case too with the drums, but it's not the end of the world because I already have a big OGO bag for those, and I'm happy with that. But the fact that I can roll this one single case in. Also, rolling is a major bonus because the soft cases we had to carry one at a time, and there was 5 of them. And then hard cases would be even heavier. So the fact that I can roll this thing in, I could probably put the hardware bag on top of it too, and just roll one piece into a venue is probably going to be a game changer. I'm going to find out in the new year with a bunch of gigs coming up in January. But I think I found a pretty solid solution for my drum kit. In situations where I can't roll this thing into, I can just simply keep the case in the trailer and just open it up, pull my drums out, and carry them in by hand anyways, like I would have done with single cases, so no loss there. That's pretty much all I have to say about this project. It was pretty short. I bought the 2 cases. I had the carpet in them the same day. If you're interested in getting this exact case, I think it's, like I said, a Mac Martin Viper dual case. Fits 2 of those light fixtures. Otherwise, just find another case that you can repurpose and probably save a bunch of money rather than getting a custom-made drum boat. Hope you enjoyed this short little video about my new drum case, and until next time, peace out.